This is a working Mansfield Holiday 8mm film projector, which I will turn on for you, but you can see right now it's going to be rickety only because this belt, or whatever this is off. It's a wire type belt. You can see it's supposed to go on here. So it does turn on and it is operational as far as its functions go, but some things are going to need to be repaired. But I will say one thing, it does come with the bulb, which the bulb itself is worth $40. So anyways, I'm going to list this cheap and I'm going to show you, see? The functions do work. They are moving, but that needs to be, it needs a new belt or whatever it is, needs to be repaired. And then here comes the lights on. So the bulb does work. It's a blue bulb. See if I could read what it says. Yeah, it's an EDK. It's an expensive bulb, I know, because I have lots of them that I've sold for between $50 and $80 a piece. So even if I sold this whole unit for $20, it's worth it just for the bulb. Thanks for looking.